lot of troubles in the U.S. market in 2025. We're going to have a lot of issues. Sellers and buyers are going to have a lot of issues in the market sector, in the house market sector in 2025. But there is a way to fix it. There's a way for sellers to sell your house for full asking price and cash. And there is a way for buyers to buy with a long interest of 2, 3, 4%. I'll tell you more in a few minutes. The interest went up last week. I think up 7.2%. And the problem with the buyers is not really the high interest of the mortgage. The main problem with the buyers in 2025 is property insurance and property taxes. About 35% of the payment, the mortgage payment that buyers are doing on their home are going to property insurance and property taxes. So right now, statistics say that only about 25% of the consumers can afford to buy a house. Only 25% can afford to buy a house in the United States with the high interest, high taxes, high insurance. And about 15%, only 50%, can afford to buy a brand new home. So basically what is happening is that the market is going to remain the same. If you're planning to buy a house, interest is not going to come down. They're going to remain the same for 2025 and 2026. And even though the interest is high, the mortgage payment, the insurance, the property taxes are high, property is still going up. Some places in Midwest, properties went up last month 8%. And the median price on home, they went up 3% all across the board. So basically what's happening is the market is going to remain the same. People are going to rent instead of buying because they're not able to afford. As I said, 25% only are able to buy properties. So they're going to start renting. And rental, by the way, are going to go up. They're going to go in demand. So they're going to go up about 5% in 2025. And then they're going to go another 5% in 2026. So builders are trying to build homes that are affordable to the public, but the sentiment of the new administration, taxes going up or putting new taxes in different countries, also the fear of mass deportation, the fear of terrorism are making the builders to slow down because they cannot. There is no, the sector is very slow because people cannot even afford an affordable new build home. So there's a way to fix this. If you try to sell a house and you're having a hard time, you put the house on the market and it doesn't move. We do have a program that we can buy your house for the full asking price and cash. You don't have to wait to somebody to come and apply for a loan and go through the whole red tape. And 45 days they will tell you, John, I had an issue, I don't have enough down payment, I don't have enough FICO score, I'm dropping out of the purchase. Sell your house for the full asking price and cash, and we can help you to do that. And for buyers that want to go into, they want to, by the way, the move up buyers, the sector of move up buyers is pretty much dead. The people are not selling the houses because they cannot afford to buy something with more bedroom, more bathroom, something larger. They cannot move up. But if you want to buy a house, we have a solution for you. We do have properties all across the country with mortgage payments, with mortgage interest of 2, 3, and 4%. Most of the people that bought houses with FHA, USDA loans, VA loans, the last 5 years, these properties have mortgage interest of 2%, 3%, 4.5%. I even saw property with 1.9, 1.8% mortgage. We have a list of all these houses that we can supply to you, and you can buy a house and take over the mortgage through innovation and you're going to be making payments of 2, 3, 4% interest on the loan, which is going to cut in half your mortgage payment. So you want to know more about it, just send me a message, and we'll help you to sell your house faster for more money and cash, or we'll help you to buy a house with a 3 or 4% mortgage interest. So even though the housing market for 2025 is in trouble due to high taxes, high insurance, a high mortgage interest, we can help you to sell your house faster for more money and cash. By the way, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be talking about how come if you're planning to sell or you're planning to buy, we're going to help you to do that. We're going to help you to do that in 2025. A lot of buyers, they stay in the sidelines because they're waiting for this interest to come down. Well, the Federal Reserve already told you that the interest is going to remain the same for the next 2 years. So it's time to buy. And if you can afford a 7.2 or 7.2, 7.3 or 6.9 interest, we have the mortgage, we have the house with a mortgage interest in 2 or 3 or 4%. See you guys tomorrow. I'm going to keep you posted about the housing market for sellers and buyers. Comment below and let me know you're planning to buy or sell, or you have any questions about what's going on with the market. There is a lot of fears, there is a lot of uncertainty, but we can help you to buy your dream home, or sell your house and buy your dream home. See you guys tomorrow.